Indian Premier League 2026 match number 70. Kolkata Knight Riders vs Delhi Capitals. Match played at Eden Gardens, Kolkata. Kolkata Knight Riders won the toss, elected to ball first. Delhi Capitals 20 overs 203 runs lost by 5 wickets. KL Rahul is the highest scorer, 60 runs 30 balls. Then Kolkata Knight Riders best bowling spell, Sourav Dubey 4 overs no maiden 28 runs 2 wickets taken. Kolkata Knight Riders 18.4 overs 163 runs all out. Ajinkya Rahane is the highest scorer, 63 runs 39 balls. Then Delhi Capitals best bowling spell, Kuldeep Yadav 4 overs no maiden 29 runs 3 wickets taken. Delhi Capitals won by 40 runs in this match. Player of the match Kuldeep Yadav. Congratulations Delhi Capitals.